Hello everyone, my name is Sajad Umar, and on behalf of our team, Desi Developers, I am very excited to be part of this Hackfest, and we have selected a challenge that we think will be in somehow help the community to uh, fix some problem related to remote work. So in my team, I have Tayyib Jat, Hamza, Muhammad Hamza, and myself, Sajad Umar. Tayyib Jat is a very fine UX UI designer who participated in designing the whole thing for us, and Muhammad Hamza worked on core part of the project, including some backend related code and some UI related changes. I worked on databases related things and the stuff related to cron jobs and wake tasks and server deployment, all the stuff, all that cool things. So, problem statement. Um, we wanted to fix uh, how we can improve the remote work experience for employees nowadays, as most of us are new to remote work, so we have to find some way to make it fun. This, along with its benefits, it also comes with some uh, issues that might, along with its benefits, it also comes with some side effects like depression, feeling alone. There is no one to have a quick chat or some coffee. So we decided to take on this challenge and provide a solution that can make remote work fun. So the solution we came up with is something like that it allows you to register your company, add your employees to the platform, add some monthly and daily rewards, and we distribute them in fun and engaging way. The way we decided to tackle this is something I will discuss in next slide. First of all, I would like to tell you that why we chose this and what was the selection process of this challenge. We had a meeting, all three of us, uh, and explored everything, all other challenges as well. But we like the idea of contributing to make remote work fun, as we picked that remote based challenge. The thought process was clear. Uh, we want to reduce the loneliness in remote work, and the side product of which can be improvement in proficiency of the work the employee deliver. So the idea was to let users engage in quite fun activities so that build, they can engage with each other along with uh, and get some exciting rewards in the process. The rewards are there to present aha moment that everybody needs to cheer themselves up. So, a design architecture. Design wise, the solution we used Ruby on Rails as Ruby on Rails is our core expertise. Our core Our core expertise lies in Ruby on Rails, so we chose this as a framework of our choice. So we use PostgreSQL as our database. In our database schema, we have company, employees, challenges, and company challenges where we store all daily challenges and submissions. We also make polls for voting. And at the end of all this process, we have some rewards and winners to announce. So the whole thing revolves around a concept that few the whole thing revolves around the concept of selecting random people very smartly that no one daily and assign them a challenge. They get an invitation link in their email about the challenge. When they click that link, a page is presented to them, and they can basically perform that challenge, record a short video. That video will be posted into employees dashboard where everybody can engage with that submission, react to that, and add their feedback. So at the end of the day, cron job runs and create a poll for every company, um, so that people can vote their favorite participant, and on based of that polling, we evaluate a winner, and winner basically gets some recognition and a daily reward set by the company. Mm, This cycle repeats every day until we reach the end of the month, and then the system automatically picks a random person, which is quite done quite smartly, so that it factors in the number of engagements and reactions to that particular submission. So a random person is picked from the pool of winners, and a monthly reward is assigned to them. In that way, the rewards can be of multiple types: bonus, day off, a half day leave, or something like that that will cheer up and relax the person working at from home. So that's pretty much it um, about the concept. The front end is this, and back end we use following technology. For the back end, we use Ruby on Rails. For database, we used PostgreSQL, and for the front end part, we use HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, Ajax, and jQuery. We also use cloud storage, AWS S3, and Heroku for deployment. Along with that, we used Figma for designing UI and UX. We use concept board to discuss multiple concepts within the team. We use Git for versioning, and Meet, Skype, and Slack, and WhatsApp for the team communication. For the code demo, let's visit this public repo. So in the code, as you can see, we have all these controllers that handle multiple sections of the requirement. If we go to like lib rig tasks, we have multiple tasks that this task is basically responsible for creating challenges, assigning people, and creating company-wide challenges, and sending emails. This task is responsible for creating daily polls. These are basically hosted on Heroku, and these are hosted on Heroku, and they run periodically through Heroku Scheduler. Uh, Once they run, they add some data to database, which is reflected in dashboard to employees. Uh, so uh, Hamza will probably give you the demo of entire application that we have done, and Tayyab will explain how we design the UI and UX of the project. That's it from my side. Uh, have a good day.